will see us father and son cook my favorite type of popcorn. That's right, Dad. Caramel popcorn.
Yes.
Dad, I really love it. I'm not bragging, guys. I just love it like anything. We can't waste time talking. I need it
Come,
fast.
let's go. Fast.
Come on, Dad. Let's go.
Go. The ingredients are corn kernels, white sugar, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, condensed milk, vanilla essence, baking soda, and finally salt. For making excellent caramel popcorn, first step we have to make a basic popcorn. I will show you how to make a basic popcorn. Let's start with the cooking. Heat the vessel, add vegetable oil, then we have to add the popcorn. Then saute around 1 minute. Now I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Again mix it very well.
3 minutes. The popcorn started to pop up really quickly. Then start covering with the lid. Oh no. It's so funny and dangerous. This is never going to end.
The next step, I will show you how to make a caramel sauce. First, keep the frying pan on the stove, add unsalted butter, yes, butter almost ready. Now I am going to add the sugar. Then mix it very well.
Now, Dad, tell me how much time will that sugar take to completely melt?
It will take around 6 to 7 minutes. So
Okay.
when the sugar turn to light caramelized color, so I immediately am going to add the condensed milk.
Alright.
The sugar almost halfway through. I think need another 2 more minutes. See the texture? The sugar start caramelizing.
I've never seen something like this in my whole life, guys.
Yeah, make sure this is very high heat. I'm going to add the condensed milk.
How does this make a difference?
Yeah, so now the color turn into light color. Again mix it very well to make a fine texture. Finally, I'm going to add vanilla essence, pinch of salt, and also 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix it very well. Another 1 minute. Yes, our sauce is almost ready. Now I am going to add the popcorn into the sauce. Then mix it very well to make a nice caramelized popcorn.
Dad, can we mix the popcorn now with this?
Okay, no problem. Like this. Nicely coat the sauce all over the popcorn.
Now, Dad, what's next? Because it looks to me the popcorn is actually ready.
Now I want to cool down the caramel popcorn. I will
Oh.
show you how to cool down the popcorn. Oh,
it felt like-
my god.
It felt like a chunk.
Okay, I have to spread the popcorn. Later I will separate it from each other.
Okay, guys, so I think it's ready, Dad.
You ready? It's almost 10 to 12 minutes now.
Yeah. So now what should we do?
Now you have to separate it.
Oh, that's a very large job, I guess.
Yeah, separate it. Ah, nice.
This is a big chunk. Guys, this is a really awkward position. But you know what? This is the position we use when we are watching a movie and eating popcorn. So it's tasting time. Oh my goodness, it is really sugary. Dan, I just love it. You know how much I love sugar and caramel, right Dan?
I know.
Sugar lovers and caramel lovers out there, or even regular people, will love this for sure, no doubt. By looking at it, it's so tasty. And when you eat it, the sugar is like melting in your mouth. It's just really good, guys. What can I say then? So make sure to make this at your home. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, share this video to your friends, subscribe to our channel. But don't forget, click the bell